Comes in a nice package, very, very professional looking box. It does have all the specifications on here. On the side, for instance, a 6.2 to 1. It's 286 grams, max 8 kilogram, 11 ball bearing, saltwater, dual ball bearing. Really cool. It shows on here also 6 pound to 310 yards, 8 pound 210, 10 pound 180. Really cool. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. This is nice. So, nice heavy-duty cardboard professional package. Inside of it, you have the reel in a little drawstring bag. And then it has your manufacturer instructions. Nice. Excellent. It shows how to take the reel apart and everything. Really nice. Shows different parts on it. Nice. That's a nice little addition instead of just an empty box. So, great package. The reel itself, go ahead and taking this out. So again, nice that it comes with a little bag. This is great if you're going to travel or, you know, ship a rod and your reel separate, things like that. That's really cool. It's got a nice drawstring on it. So, great. I love these. So the reel itself, this one here is a size 3000. Really solid, substantial. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Not some cheap plastic reel. Taking a look at it, the handle on it, the knob, is a nice quality EVA foam. Not too soft, not too hard. Really comfortable feeling EVA foam. And then it's got a nice red anodized aluminum looking cap on it. One of the things that I look for in a reel is the arm shaft. Okay, the crankshaft on it. This is nice, solid, heavy metal. That's great. I don't like plastic crank arms on it because I feel like I'm going to get more play in it and it's going to bend. And this is very nice, very professional. The frame actually looks really cool. The body, it's got a nice fluted out design on it to get you a better weight, save some weight on that. Looking at it, that's really smooth. Especially at a $40 price point on a real super smooth reel. And then the other really important part is anti-instant reverse. That's great. So let's take this off. So you've got reversible right and left retrieve. There's your handle on your turn crank. It's metal inside, really clean, really good tolerances on that. That's nice. Yeah. Tightens back on. Not bad. It's got a nice heavy metal bail on it. Very responsive. And then the roller on it too, here on the bail, is metal. So a lot of these you'll see, especially on really cheap reels, you'll see a lot of plastic parts here. That's actually metal. The spool itself, also metal. That's really nice. Drilled out, a lot of fluting in there. Again, to save you on a lot of that weight, that is really nice. Beautiful the way it's going up and down on there. Looking at the spool itself, let's see if we can get this off. Not bad. That's actually nice. Got a nice gasket there on the knob. Always look at the spool. I hate a lot of those plastic spools that look like they're metal, like fake chrome and stuff. This is actually really nice quality metal. It's got the nice engraving on the top of it for the different size line and capacities for it. It's got the model again, the Axe 3000H. It's got a nice textured finish here to keep it from getting some line spin. And then inside here, your little catch here, gear catch, is metal. That's really nice. So this is all metal. That's really nice. Looking here, metal parts. Again, metal parts. Again, yes, this is a Chinese manufacturer, and you never know what you're going to get, but this is really nice quality. And a lot of the reels, even the ones you go and buy at like local department stores, it's a lot of plastic in it. So I'm not seeing a whole lot of plastic, except for the graphite frame on it. This is actually really cool. I totally dig it. So, putting that back together. Not bad. Yep, that's really smooth. I tighten the drag up on it. Pretty solid drag. I'll loosen the drag up. Smooth and not catching. And still that instant automatic anti-reverse on it. And then here, looking at the arm on it here, the connection point, that's another like weak point there too. On this one, it's really nice. There's no flex in it. So really, I actually do think this is a winner. This is actually really nice. It's got it right here, 10+1 ball bearings. So, you also got the 2 direction on there. Not bad at all. There it is in a nutshell. So the main things I look for when I'm looking at a reel, like I said, do you have a metal arm on it? This one does. That's really solid. The connection between the rod and the reel, is there any play and flex in it? This one has none. That's solid. The bail, is it all metal? This one is. The spool, is it metal? Yes, this one is. So it has all my winning points to it, and the anti-reverse, and it all performs well, very well. Looking forward to getting this thing out. Lila's going to be using this one for the most part, and we'll kind of torture test it here in the Susquehanna River.